Stop mispronouncing these words. These are homographs. Homographs are words with the same spelling, but different pronunciation and meaning. This is tear, tear, or tear fell. Tear is liquid from the eye. This is tear, tear. To tear is to rip, or to rend, okay? As she saw him tear the letter. Put together we have a tear fell. As she saw him tear the letter, not tear the letter. These two words are like here, and here. Okay, here, hair. Okay, this is read, read, read. It's a present tense. Read, read, read. She's asked to read aloud. She's asked to read aloud. This is read, past tense and past participle of read. What I read yesterday. She's asked to read aloud what I read yesterday. And this red and this color, they are both red. Okay? This is lead, lead, to guide, lead, lead. She will lead the protests. This is lead, lead. This is a metal, a metal, a metal. Okay, this is a metal. Against lead poisoning, not lead poisoning. That's what I hear most of the time. So put together we have, she will lead the protests against lead poisoning. I'm sure you've learned something new today. Do well to like, comment, and share the video. Also follow me for more. Thank you.